All right, so before we get started, when you're working on the lights, make sure it's on the off position. And if you're by yourself, maybe it's okay. But if there's people around and walking, put the tape here. That way, if you try to push this, then the tape will hold it. Okay? Okay, let's get started. Hello, everybody. I'm going to show you how to replace a burnout recess light. This is LED ones. The ones over there, it's not working. And so this is on a different circuit, this one and that one, the burnt out one, and this one is on a different circuit than this one. So, and I might not be able to find the same design, so I'm gonna replace both this one and this one. That way, if this other light burns out, I can use the old one. That way, you have the same light output. And this one's gonna be really bright because it's gonna be new, and I'm gonna replace this one, so it's gonna be new, so they're gonna have the same light output. Let me turn up this two right here to show you. See, both are off now, so, and the other ones are still on because they're on a different circuit. So if they were So if this other four, if one of them burned out, I'm gonna use the one that's still working, and these two are gonna have new lights. Hope, like I said, if I don't find the same exact type of recess light, then it's all good because I'm gonna replace both of them anyway. All right, so let me go to the hardware store and buy a replacement light. Oh, wait a minute. Let me show take it out first. Let me show you how to take it out. So basically you just pull this down, and there's two tabs of metal. So you squeeze. Hopefully the camera can pick it up. See this part here, you squeeze, and the other side too. Squeeze, and you just pull this one. Disconnect this too. Simple. Some of them are screwed in. This one is just plugged in. So push in. Well, if you're gonna the replacement, you just push it in there. Okay. So that's how you take it out. Simple. Now let me get to the store and get a replacement. So alright, here's the original one that we just pick it out. And here's the one I bought. Similar. Size is same. This is a 6-inch downlight. The back is same. This one hooks up to the thing in the housing. There's an area there that you can squeeze this in. Only different, this one has a ground wire that's sticking out, which this one is already, I'm pretty sure this thing, when you attach this to the housing, this thing is grounded already, so you don't really need this wire because this one doesn't come one, I think. I'm pretty sure that this is the ground here too. So when you attach it, it goes in, and you just connect this one. And oh, there's a little thing inside. Can't really notice. Anyway, this thing is the old one is a Terra Lighting brand. Here's the back of it. If you want to see it, give you time to read it. Anyway, and here's the specs. This one is 15 watts, and it's only I think 4000K color. Yeah, 4000K. The one I bought, I was looking at the Halo one. It's just like $9.95, and this is $9.95 too. And they don't have the daylight color. I like daylight color. And this one only uses, according to the box, it only uses 10 watts, which is more energy efficient. Brightness is 900 lumens. Cost energy is $1.20 per year. And this one is 500, according to the box over here, is 5000K. So it's almost the blue area. So this is still white to almost blue, I think. And like I said, it's supposed to last 45 years, and and it's only cost me the same price as the other one. Just that this is a Walmart generic brand. So let's install this and see how bright it is compared to the older one I got, which I'm gonna replace. I bought two of them, so 10 watts each. So let's install the other one, and after we install, we compare the colors. Then I'm gonna remove the other one too, and I'll show you how to remove that too. Okay, might be a closer view than the first one. All right, so let's install the other one. All right, as I told you earlier, this part here, this clip here goes in there. Where is it? Here. Hopefully the camera can pick it up. Zoom in some more. Yeah, right here. This part here, and there's another one across the other side. Let me zoom out. So right here, there's this thing will clip, and this side will clip. All right, so and this part here goes here. Make sure there's no power, and as you can see, I forgot to turn up the power. Bad. Anyway, bad. So now you can't see anymore. Let me turn up the power. All right, power's up. Squeeze. And squeeze. Come on. Go in there. That's one. That's two. See, it's hanging now. You zoom in some more. Coming out. Now it's hanging. It's already attached to the hook. It's attached to the area there. You just slide back in. Voila! And that's done. Now let's compare both lights. As you can see, that's the old light. This is the new light. This is a lot brighter. That's why I'm gonna replace that too and make that as a backup for the other lights there. That's gonna, just in case it breaks, because they are a different circuit. So I'm just gonna replace that too. New one, old one. So let me turn that up. Let's do it without power this time. Bad demo, bad. Alright, this one you can just discard because you don't need it. But if you do need it, then just connect this one and just screw in this one inside there. Okay. Now, let's do this one too the right way with the power off. So pull down. Squeeze. Let me give it again. So it's hanging like that. Squeeze. And the other side, squeeze. Pull. Forget to tell you, make sure you have this little a padding. Make sure you have the padding there already. So now connect the wires together, the orange connector. That's ready. White to white, black to black. Okay. See that? White, black, white. Squeeze. squeeze. See, that's in. Squeeze. Now that's in. Push. Done. Now let's turn that on, make sure it works. And it works. So that's good. That's good. Now I got two new light there, and the old one will be a replacement for the. Now I forgot which one is which now. I put it on the floor, then I don't know which one is the good one. I'll save them both. I'm pretty sure the other one, I don't remember. Anyway, that's how you replace a recessed light, and make sure you do it safely, not like the first time I did it. I forgot, I was talking too much and forgot to turn up the light. Anyway, that's it. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. And I hope this helped you guys, and I see you next time. Goodbye, mahalo, have a nice day. See you later.